Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my spring trend guide. We have so much fun in this series going over the hottest trends of the season and showing easy outfit ideas to wear at home. So make sure to subscribe. There is a new video every Thursday and today we're talking about tie-dye. To be honest, I was a little hesitant when tie-dye made such a major comeback at Fashion Week. It just reminded me of growing up when we would tie-dye our shirts and tie them up and wear them to the side. Obviously, we are not wearing them to the side today, so let's go over some more sophisticated ways to wear tie-dye, starting with a tie-dye sweater. For my first look, I wanted to show how you can wear tie-dye to the office. Yes, you can actually wear the print to the office. The trick is wearing something very sleek and sophisticated on bottom, like a pencil skirt. I did denim because I live in California, so we have a more relaxed style here, but you could do a solid color as well. And then on bottom, I just did a classic pair of pumps in blue to match the turtleneck. For a more casual look, I paired the turtleneck with jeans. Lighter color jeans are huge this season, so the lighter the color, the better. And then I went matchy-matchy again with this baby blue belt that I got for myself for my birthday last year, and then just some white booties on bottom. Next, I want to talk about a tie-dye jacket. This tie-dye jacket is actually from a fellow blogger, Something Navy. I'm loving her collection this season. It's a great way to play with pastels. So pastels are always big for spring, and tie-dye is a modern take on that. So I draped the jacket over some pastels, a light pink cami and some white jeans. Another way to wear it is just with a basic t-shirt and jeans. So it really dresses up and it gives a modern touch to any look. One way I have been wearing tie-dye for the past few years is at the beach. So if you have a resort vacation coming up, tie-dye is a great print to bring with you on a vacay. I just did a simple cami dress. It's really lightweight. On vacation, I'd probably just wear it over a bathing suit, maybe throw on a pair of fun embellished flats to go to dinner by the beach. And since the dress is such a thin material, I can actually fold it and wear it under a baggier jean like a camisole. So you can bring the resort back to the city by adding a moto jacket on top and a pair of booties. But my absolute favorite way to wear tie-dye is at the gym. Well, actually, I don't go to the gym, I go to Hot Pilates, but it's the same thing. So working out, a tie-dye sports bra, leggings. I feel like when you're working out, you can really have fun with bright colors and bright prints. So I just did this purple tie-dye set. Each piece is under $20, so it's a really affordable way to try out the trend at home. I'd love to hear your thoughts about tie-dye, so just leave a comment in the section below. And if you are wearing the trend at home or any of the other trends we're covering in this series, when you upload a photo to Instagram, just tag it SS Trend Guide and me at Sydney Summer, because every week I'm featuring my favorite trend girls of the week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. Make sure to subscribe because there's new videos every Thursday. And for more outfit ideas, you can always check out my blog, sydneystyle.com. I'll see you next week. And wear it under a more, what's the word for opposite of tight? Loose. SS Instafam. Nope, not that one. Words, they're so hard. Jacket. I actually